Welcome to Boli.ae, where buying property becomes faster, smarter, and more transparent. Start by visiting Boli.ae. Users can sign up either through UAE Pass or via Join Boli. Click on the option to sign up and begin creating your buyer account. You'll now see the account creation form. Start by selecting Buyer as your account type. Then begin filling in your personal details. Add your first name and last name. Then enter your phone number. Next, enter email address and create a secure password for your account. Once the form is complete, accept the terms and conditions, then click Create Account. Verify your email via OTP. Once verified, your buyer account will be confirmed and ready to use. You can now return to the Boli website and log in with your registered email and password. Enter your login details and click Login. Once logged in, you'll be able to explore active property listings and live auctions directly on the platform. To begin your KYC verification, from the menu, go to Account. Navigate to the KYC section. Residents should verify their account using their Emirates ID, while non-residents can verify using their passport only. Click on Start KYC to begin your verification. A QR code will now appear on your screen. Scan the QR code using your mobile phone to continue the process. Scan your passport properly. Wait for quality check. Fill in the personal details for verification. Enter your name and date of birth. Verification successful. From the dashboard in the transaction section, click on Add Payment. Enter your amount, choose a payment method, and fill in the required billing information. A 10% deposit is required to participate in the bidding process. Browse through properties currently open for bidding. Select a property you want to bid on. You are now on the property details page. Locate Bid section and click on Bid Now. Enter your bid amount. Click on Confirm Bid to proceed. Your bid is now submitted. Start exploring today on Boli.ae and let the bidding begin.